أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. What is the definition of a hadith? Every definition has two types of definitions. One is the linguistical meaning and the other one is the technical meaning. Linguistical meaning is a normal meaning, what the dictionaries say about that word, and the technical meaning is the meaning that the allamah of that particular science, how they define it. And in this regard, a hadith lexically means something new as opposed to something old. So the opposite of old is called a hadith. Technically, the ulama of ilm hadith, they say that the technical meaning of hadith is everything that is attributed to the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wa alihi wasallam, from his speech, from his actions, from his silent approval, and what was done before him. The description of how he looked and the description of his manners, whether this was before the announcement of prophecy, of his prophethood, or after the announcement of his prophethood. Because as Sunni Muslims, we believe that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he was a prophet of God even before he arrived into this dunya. And I will give you 3 examples of the definition of a hadith. So it is the speech of Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. This is called hadith, and the example of that is one of the first hadiths that Imam Bukhari and Imam Muslim and so many other traditionalists, they have presented, they have used, and this is innamal a'malu bin niyat. So this is the speech of Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Inshallah, later on we will discuss what category this hadith belongs to, whether it is Sahih, whether it is Hasan, whether it is what is the category of it. We will discuss that inshallah. And this is the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, the reward of the deeds depend upon the intentions of a person. So whatever his intentions are, according to his intentions, he will be rewarded. And this is the example of a speech, this is qawli. And the example of the actions of Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is that Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he used to observe fast continuously without breaking them. And this was the amal of Hazrat Rasulullah, and the companions, on observing this, they started to fast. Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam inquired that, why are you looking weak? And they replied that we are observing fast. And Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam questioned them that, why do you observe fast? They say, Ya Rasulullah, we see that you observe fast continuously without breaking fast, and so we copied you. So this was the amal of Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Then Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that, which one of you is like me? So you don't follow me until I instruct you. And the other example is that once a fresh lizard was served as food on the table of Hazrat Rasulullah, and so he agreed with it but excused himself, and he says that this is not for my diet. So this is the silence of Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And Hazrat Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam is qawl, fail, and amal is a binding for us to follow in every regard. Inshallah, in the next lecture we will look at the definition of khabar, and then we will look at the differences between what a hadith is and khabar is, the two definitions. وما علينا إلا البلاغ المبين. آخر دعواهم الحمد لله رب العالمين.